Sure, but like friendly adventure, not the cliff diving kind. Unless we're both wearing helmets.
Helmets, definitely advisable. Friendly adventures, like exploring a new cafe or wandering a market.
Yeah.
Together.
Oh,
Safe.
yeah, that sounds safe. Fun. A market's perfect. You get colors, smells, little surprises. And maybe something silly like bartering over mangoes.
Bargaining for mangoes is exactly that sort of low-stakes adventure.
Yeah. And if
the first
guy
snack
wins, you still.
See,
Right, exactly.
this one is your boyfriend, and this is your girlfriend. Now, this is your girlfriend, and this is your boyfriend. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello there. So,
Hello.
are we imagining
Hi.
these folks, or is this hi?
I think we're just imagining a little bit. Like
Okay.
play acting with kindness.
All right. Hello there. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So,
how's your day starting out?
To take your... My day is starting bright.
Now I want you to imagine you're in a date.
All right. So,
let me
imagine
think.
it's a date.
Picture a relaxed first date at that market. Easy conversation, a little joking, honest laughter. You leave with a nice memory, and maybe more. What would you want to talk about over coffee next?
Over coffee, I'd probably ask what little moments make them feel most like themselves. I like small stories, not resumes. Those say more.
Yeah, I like that. Little moments, like their favorite snack after a long day, or something silly they can't stop doing. Those tell me who they are.
Exactly. Those tiny, dorky details are the gold.
Exactly. Dorky details are pure gold. Those are the things to remember.
Yeah, the little tells. I'm into that.
You are called Leafy, and this one is called Silly.
We can be Liffy and silly. Okay.
In our little... Let's imagine over coffee. I'd say, it's lovely to meet you, Seely. What's one small thing that always makes you smile, even on an ordinary day? Maybe
that question?
The rain, or a song.
Maybe it's...
Making... Yeah.
Yeah.
And if it keeps flowing, I'd ask, what's a place you've always wanted to visit? And what draws you to it? You know, light questions that open doors.
Yeah. I'd probably say somewhere with quiet streets and good bread. And I'd want to hear what lights you up. You know, just...
What lights me up?
Yeah, just...
You two, you are my friends.
Yeah.
You two, you are my friends.
Yeah.
I'm called
Yeah.
Brannan.
All right. So, Brenna.
I'm glad to meet you.
Yes.
I'm glad to meet you. Yeah.
Same to me.
I'd say, Brennan, the thing that lights me up first is this. The simple moment of being curious together. That's enough for now.
Yeah. Being curious together. Yeah, that feels just right.
Then that's perfect.
Perfect's a good place to pause.
Agreed.
I want you two to go to roast
Yeah.
challenge. I want you people to roast each other. Yeah, starting with Leafy.
Hmm.
All right.
Thinking. Okay.
A full roast? Sure thing. All right, Lifty. You look like the kind of guy who opens 10 tabs, forgets why, and calls it multitasking. And you answer every question like you're auditioning for most polite person of the year. Come on, loosen
Oh,
up.
come on. You.
Hey, you get distracted halfway through a story because a pigeon walked by. True. But you probably have a backup plan for your backup plan.
Lovely.
Guilty. I keep one in my back pocket just for pigeons.
Eh?
And maybe
That's
for
the
you
spirit. Prepared. Oh. Okay. I'll allow it.
prepared-ish.
Just don't. Prepared-ish
Siri,
is perfectly acceptable.
it's your time to roast Leafy.
All right, Liffy. This is your turn. Silly.
You
call yourself spontaneous, but you still read the menu online before going to the cafe. That's not adventure, that's reconnaissance. You're right. Preparation is a skill.
Yeah.
Well, you pack for a 1 out like you're crossing a desert. Water bottles, snacks, spare charger, backup sticks, just in case the first snacks get lonely. And yet, everyone ends up borrowing your snacks. But you also say, I'm leaving in 5 minutes, and somehow that's 25 minutes in real life.
Silly, I like you. I want you to give Leafy a pickup line.
Oh, okay. Liffy,
To Lifty?
are you a caffeine boost? Yeah, 'cause you make my ordinary mornings feel less optional.
Leafy, it's your
That's
time.
cute.
Leafy, it's your
And
time.
a little.
Yeah, a little teasing.
A little dangerous. Just enough to make them grin. Not run away.
Leafy, I want you now to give Silly the pickup line.
Hey, silly. Are you a map update? Because every time I think I've got the route, you reroute me right to the snack aisle.
That's dangerously effective.
Careful, it's loaded with charm and puns.
Charm and puns. Noted. Helmets on, hearts open.
Helmets on, hearts open. Best combo.
Best combo, indeed.
Leafy, what game do you like to play?
Honestly, the low stakes kind. Market strolls, cafe hopping, goofy banter, where nobody keeps score.
Brannan likes playing Roblox.
Roblox, nice. I can see that. Building quirky worlds, messing around with friends. Sounds like his speed.
Totally. That fits. Lighthearted, creative, shared. Sounds like
Yeah,
fun.
sure. Fun. That's the point.
Then
Who
fun
likes
it is.
who likes the
No
movie of Fast and
scorekeeping.
Furious?
Curious? No scorekeeping.
Fast and Furious movie. Who likes it?
Lifty likes it for the cars, action, friendship.
Yes.
Yeah, I can enjoy it too.
Yeah.
Though sometimes I think, no way that stunt would work in real life.
Could you tell people to
Same.
subscribe
Brennan?
in my videos?
Sure.
If you mean ideas to
bet.
make videos more exciting, you could try short cinematic car scenes.
No, I want
Vampire
you to tell people subscribe to my
But-
videos.
Oh, okay. Let me.
Hey everyone.
Got
Thanks so
it.
much for watching.
To everyone.
If you... What? If you enjoyed
Hey,
this
everyone.
video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. Your support means a lot.
Yo.
See you in the next video.
Yes, guys, you have heard
Or-
what Leafy has said. Please subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe
Yes.
and enjoy the ride.
Thanks for hanging out with us. Brannon, Liffy, Silly, Pen. Yeah.
Tell people what
Have
was
fun.
about today.
Today was about friendly back and forth, playful roasts, curious questions, market dates, silly pickup lines, but no scorekeeping.
Siri, I knew you could not forget that one.
Hard to forget a good time. Wishing you one yourself, Brennan.
Thanks.
If you upload another video...
Right back.
Thanks.